Hey everyone, Greg here with JSSI. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of our AviatorMX maintenance tracking solution. Formerly known as SierraTrax, AviatorMX was purpose-built for Part 91 owner-operators and provides an intuitive, cost-effective solution for managing maintenance on light jets and turboprops. Let's take a quick look at the key areas of the platform. Once you log in, we have the aircraft dashboard, which gives you an instant look at the status of your maintenance, your current times and cycles, recent MTRs or logbooks, and a look back at your aircraft utilizations. Updating your aircraft times and cycles is very simple. Right from the dashboard, click the Add Times and Cycles button, and from here, you'll be able to see a listing of all of your previous flight log entries, and you have the ability to add a new flight log here, where you can enter in a date, enter in all of your new totals, submit. This will then recalculate the maintenance coming due on your aircraft. You'll also see that you can easily export and print any previous historical details right from here. From here, you can also dig deeper into the maintenance status on your aircraft. So I could click on View Reports. We're going to land on the status report. You'll see across the top, we have a few different canned reports. The status report is going to give you everything tracking on your aircraft. And so you could just scroll through this list here. You can also easily filter on it or search. So for example, I'll search for Dock 22. And I can easily see all of those inspections here, the last time they were completed, the next due, and their current status. If I wanted to go and project out and see what's upcoming on my aircraft, I can click on the upcoming button here, and you'll easily be able to see what's coming due in the next 50 hours or 90 days. You have a future report. You can look at all projections. You also have the ability to come in and create your own saved custom reports. And we also have this advanced tab here that gives you more filtering and the ability to, really get to exactly what you're looking for and create those custom reports. So next time you come in the system with a click of a button, you get exactly what you're looking for. In AviatorMX, we use MTRs or maintenance transaction reports to update compliance on tasks and at the same time create the necessary documentation for the work performed. Users can easily see a full listing of all of the MTRs created in the system. From the Actions section here, I can view the details for this MTR. I can also generate a PDF document, which could then be printed and kept for your records. To generate a new MTR, users can hit the Add button at the top left. And from this screen, I can select the airframe or engine I'd like to create the MTR for, enter in the compliance date, where the work was completed, enter in the current times and cycles, which should populate from the last flight log. Click Next, and this is where I could come in and add items to the MTR. And so users have the option to search by a particular code that they want to add. I can also come in, select from upcoming items, check off the items that I want to add, hit continue, and this will allow us to enter in all of the compliance information, update the tasks, and generate an MTR for your records. Getting started on AviatorMX is easy. Our team handles the build of your aircraft into the system, and we're available for ongoing support, including the monitoring of OEM maintenance schedule revisions, ADs, SBs, and helping with any training you or your team need on the system. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to talk and see if AviatorMX is a good option for your flight department.